Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Maxima key battery. This is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. You will need just two items: a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. The whole procedure is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish, and requires no special technical skills. First, locate the small release latch on the back of your key fob. Press this latch and carefully slide out the emergency key, setting it aside for a moment. Next, examine the bottom edge of the key fob where the emergency key was removed. You will see a small indentation or notch. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this notch, preparing to separate the two halves. With the screwdriver in the notch, twist it gently to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. Once a small gap appears, you can carefully work your way around the seam to fully open it. Inside, you will see the old coin battery. Use your screwdriver to gently lift and remove it. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive, or plus, side faces downward into the casing. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks. Your key fob should now be fully functional, and no reprogramming is necessary. Give it a quick test to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.